We'll solve the equation 8 minus y equals 16. I have 8 minus y on the left-hand side, and I'd like to get the y term alone, and I can do that by subtracting 8 on both sides of the equation. So we would have 8 minus y minus 8 equals 16 minus 8. Now 8 minus 8 is 0, so on the left-hand side I have 0 minus y, or just the opposite of y. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now the opposite of y I can think of as negative 1 times y, and if I would multiply that by negative 1 I would get y. So I'm going to multiply on both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1y is 1y, or just y, and negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. So we see that for this equation, the solution is negative 8.